Hi guys, I'm Luke. I'm looking at GrooveFunnels today, and this is the only website builder and funnel builder that I know of that you can actually get totally for free, which is crazy because usually you have to pay a pretty high monthly payment for like ClickFunnels, or if you wanted a Wix website or something like that, a huge monthly payment for those. And you can sign up, if you click in the link below right now, you can go sign up and get not just a trial version, but you can actually get a lifetime subscription for free to GrooveFunnels and make websites and funnels, and eventually you'll actually be able to sell things on it. It's still kind of in beta right now, so it's getting better, but right now is the time to get on board. You can get it for free, so why not? Now, here it is. I'm going to show you inside my screen and just kind of show you around at what is up and running right now, because you can make websites, you can make funnels right now, today, for free, which is just super amazing, which is why I'm doing this video and this little review. So yeah, I'll let you guys see inside my screen here, and I'll show you around inside of GrooveFunnels. Okay, so when you first punch in your password and log in, you're going to come to this screen right here, and off to the side we can see we have Groove Pages and Groove Sell and a whole bunch of other stuff. But with the free version, you'll get Groove Pages and Groove Sell. So I'm going to show you inside of Groove Pages, because this is where you can build websites or funnels. Click in here. I'll show you this website that I built. This is amazing software. It's so easy to use. I've used Wix, I've used Squarespace, I've used WordPress, I've used Blogspot, I've used so many things to build websites, and all of them I was just pulling my hair out to learn how to use. And then I got to GrooveFunnels, and it was so easy to just click and drag and move things around, and it worked so much more flawlessly than any other website builder. And it's because this is new software. All the other things I just mentioned, they're using old software that's just outdated. This is new, improved, and works really slick. Now, I know this really sounds like a commercial, and you're probably thinking that I'm like employed by GrooveFunnels or something. I'm not. I'm just doing this as a review. Okay, so here we're looking at the first page on my website that I built. You can see I've got a banner page up here. I've got buttons to go over to my Instagram page, my YouTube, my photography, and stuff. So this is just the first landing page. And over on the left here, we've got blocks. Groove Pages supplies you with tons of pre-made blocks, but once you click and drag one of those over here, then you'll be able to click on it and edit anything really simply. We've got elements, so we have text elements. We've got links. You can embed YouTube videos. You can have a countdown timer. You can embed code or put a Google Map drop-in in here. All kinds of elements. Now, when we click on pages, you'll see this is my main page that I have selected here. And then I have a second page. We can click on that, look at my second page. And so on page 1, I have links that will take you to page 2, which were really easy to set up. If you click on one of these, this is actually my YouTube one, but hit configure over here, you can select whether you want it to go to another page on the website or whether you want it to go to a URL or a block or a pop-up. Then you just paste the URL in here of that page and update it, and then that button will then take you over to YouTube or wherever you want it to head. Now, what's great about Groove Pages is up here at the top, you can click and you can see how it's going to look if it's on a tablet or a computer or even a phone, and it automatically adjusts the things. So now you can see my website is built and structured in a way that looks great on a phone. Everything's all linear here. And then when you click over to computer, it automatically configures it to where it's wider now and it looks good on a computer. And that's all done just automatically for you. You don't have to construct two different pages, one that looks good on a phone and one that looks good on a computer. You just build one website and Groove Pages automatically makes it look great on either one. Once you're done, you can hit publish, and Groove Pages supplies you with their own domain, or you can, if you have purchased a domain, you can put that in as well. But they supply you with free Groove Pages domains. You put your name at the front, then it says Groove Pages, and then, you know, whatever page it is over there. And also have pop-ups. So a pop-up would be like some kind of commercial or something that you want to come up when people first pop onto your page, or maybe when they click on something. And you can configure these pop-ups the same way with all the same elements that you would use on a regular page. They're all still available over here on the left. So basically you could, if you wanted, build a mini website inside of a pop-up. Anyway, going back to our pages here, we've got alert bars with like countdown timers, calls to action. If you want people to buy stuff, have a little call to action and a button. Content, so this is just, you know, blocks of text that you can drop in and then edit. Covers, these are cover photos. Features, footers, forms, navigation bars, testimonials. They really set this up for selling stuff and making funnels. You have all of these different items that are great for helping to sell your products. We have checkout forms. Now these aren't available yet because we're still in the beta, but if you sign up now for free, they're going to eventually upgrade this because they're still working on getting this part out. Now, like I said, this is fully functional. What I've shown you so far is fully functional. So you can go and make a website or a funnel today and it works. There's just certain items that still aren't functional. Basically the only ones that I know of right now are actually the checkout forms. So if you wanted to be selling something on your webpage, it's going to be a few months down the road. I'm not sure exactly when, but they're going to eventually release these, and then you'll be able to sell things right on your Groove page. Right now, though, you could build a funnel that maybe eventually took somebody to led them through to sell, but that sell page would have to be built somewhere else, or maybe just on Amazon or something like that. So there you go. There's a quick look inside of Groove Pages, and like I said, this is just a huge opportunity because you can click in the link below right now and you can get a lifetime subscription and go and build yourself a website or a funnel, and eventually in the months to come they'll upgrade it and you'll be able to sell things on here for free. That's pretty cool. I'm really glad. I actually have a paid version, so you know it's future-proofed, so I get all of the future upgrades and stuff, but you can get this right now for free. So this is a chance in a lifetime for building yourself a website. Go check it out.